Hi guys! So with a simple look like this, I've literally just got some concealer, blush, liquid lipstick, and I've done my brows. I would normally think that the perfect thing to go with this would be eyeliner, but I always find eyeliner really difficult because I don't know if you can see, but my eyes are hooded and they're hooded all the way down to the end of my lash line. So normally I find eyeliner really hard, but I think I've actually kind of found a way to make it easier for my type of eyes. Like, I don't know if you'd fully call them hooded because you can definitely see like some lid space, but if you see, if I like pull my eyebrow up, you can see just how hooded they are. Like, if my eyebrow was pulled just like here, I'd have good eyelids for eyeliner, but I don't. So this is the best way I found to do it, and I hope this helps at least one of you who might have a similar eye shape to me. Okie doke. I'll show you properly on this eye because it's the eye that is angled towards the camera, and I'll try my best to make sure I'm in view and you can see it properly. So I'm trying out this for the first time. It's the Colourpop liquid liner. I don't know what the shade name is. It's called Numero Uno, and it's just a black eyeliner. I swatched it on my hand and it seems pretty good, so I'm sorry if you can hear that motorcycle. So it should work good. So what I do is I look head on at the mirror, like at a normal angle, because if you go like this and the crease goes away, when you go like this, your eyeliner's then gonna have like a weird jaggedy line, like it's not gonna look nice and straight. So I put one dot out where I want my liner to finish. So let's say about there. Can you see that tiny little dot? Yep, and then I'm going to match that dot up as best as I can on the other side.
De Paris n'importe où, bras sur, en chantant des chansons, bras.
Okay, I think that's about as even as I'm going to get it. So now, normally people with non-hooded eyes are told to follow their lash line, their bottom lash line as it angles up, because that way it lifts the eye. But I'm going to draw one dot in the corner of my eye like this, and I'll do it on this side too. And then keep your eyes open and still facing head on the whole time. The trick is to draw a straight line with your eyes open. Even if you miss a bit of skin when you look like this, there's a gap, that's okay. So that's about as straight as I can make it when I look up, but as you can see, when I go like this, it's still as straight as I could do it. It just looks more angled up rather than angled to the side, which is what it looks like when my head is straight. So look, this way it looks like it's angled up, but when you can see my crease, because of my hooded eyes, it looks like it's more angled that way.
En chantant des chansons, bras dessus, de Paris n'importe où, bras dessus, en chantant des chansons, bras dessus.
Okay, that's about as even as I think I'm going to get these lines. So then I want to leave it as thin as possible on the outer edge. so I'm not going to make it any thicker there. But then about, if I look straight, where the whites are in your eye, like if I look straight here, where my iris stops, and between my iris and the corner of my eye, just on my lash line here, I'm going to draw a little dot again. Just like that. I don't know if you can see that, but same here. See? Okay. And then with my eyes completely open and looking forward, because this is the angle you want your eyeliner to look the best at, then I'm just going to draw a line from the end of that one, the end of the eyeliner up here, and I'm just going to, on the side of the brush with my eyes open, join this dot on the end of my eyeliner.
J'entends des chansons, bras dessus. Bon. Bon. De Paris n'importe. Bras dessus.
Okay, as you can see, I think it might actually be easier to draw the dot like just where your iris ends if you look head on, like I would try and get right into the camera. Do you see how my eyeliner stops where my iris starts? I think that might be the best place to draw the dot. As you can see, I drew it here and it didn't really work. I know this looks really messy right now, but I'll clean it up. So then where all that space is, I'm just gonna fill it in.
Dessus, de Paris n'importe, bras dessus, en chantant des chansons.
As you can see, when I lean back, that line doesn't really look straight. But when I look forward, that is the best a cat eye on my kind of eye shape is gonna look. But I don't like it to be too top heavy, so then, oh right, let me do this eye so you can see what I'm talking about first.
Dessus, en chantant des chansons, bras dessus. Bon.
Why can't I ever get them even? Right, let's take, so you can always overdraw and clean up. That's what I found anyway. Just when I was saying that this eye is more difficult, it's turned out better than this one. So I really need to clean up this one. So if you fold a cotton bud in half like this, it actually becomes easier to clean up. So then I fold it in half and then really go along the edge like this, because I inevitably always mess up.
Bras dessus, en chantant des chansons, bras dessus. De Paris n'importe.
Okay, that's a bit better. As you can see, they look a little bit more even now, but I still need to go in again with the eyeliner.
Bras dessus. Bon.
That's probably about as even as it's gonna get. Still not very even, to be honest. It's so irritating. This is by no means a tutorial. I'm just as much in the dark as this as you. So then what really makes it look alright on my kind of eye shape is if I bring this outer bit down to my bottom lash line. So if I show on this side,
Bon. De Paris n'importe. Bras dessus, En chantant des chansons.
Do you see? It looks so much sharper just because I brought it down here. I feel like I really get the angle right going from the bottom rather than from the top.
De Paris n'importe.
And then I'll repeat the same on this side.
De Paris n'importe. Bras dessus. En chantant des chansons. Bras dessus.
Okay, so it always looks like a complete and utter whack job when I do it just from the top, but then as soon as I do this bottom line here and connect it to make, instead of like one flick from the top, make it actually look like this, that's when my eyeliner finally looks okay, and it is always an experiment up to that point. So by no means, like I said earlier, by no means is this a tutorial, it's just showing you how I would do it. But yeah, this is about the best I can do with my eye shape. So to finish it all up and to make it look cohesive, I then take a normal pencil eyeliner. This is also from Colourpop, the BFF Creme Gel Liner in black. And I'll just really make sure on the top there's no gaps, and then also line my waterline.
Dessus. De Paris n'importe. Bras dessus. En chantant des chansons. Bras dessus.
And that is about the best I can do. So now I will probably, normally when I wear eyeliner I put on falsies as well, because the lashes hide the multitude of sins that happen on the top lash. So I'll just apply falsies now so you can see. It will look a whole lot better once my falsies are on. I'll just speed through this because I'm really shit at putting them on.
Bon. De Paris n'importe. Bras dessus. En chantant des chansons. Bras dessus.
Oh, right, these actually look crazy. Normally I would not wear a style like this. I bought them like 2 years ago for my prom. And literally never worn them since because they're such a crazy style. But then I curl them in. Normally I'd curl them in with my lashes, but I don't even think these lashes are gonna fit into this eyelash colour. Anyway, normally I wouldn't wear such crazy lashes like these, but as you can see, the lashes completely take away from the fact that my eyeliner is not the best. So once these are dry, I think that'd be the end of the video. Obviously, under normal circumstances, I'd blend the lashes in with my mascara and maybe put some bottom mascara on to balance out these crazy big lashes. Wow, I can't believe I bought these. These are so not my style. But yeah, so, oh my god, I can't get over the fact of how I look in these. It's absolutely crazy. Anyway, normally I'd wear something like these demi wispies. No, these are normal wispies, not demi wispies. But these are the only lashes I can put on without fail because the band is such a good quality. They're Lily lashes. But I definitely think I need to buy a different style because this is absolutely crazy. These are the Miami style, but I think they look ridiculous on me. But yeah, that's how I do my eyeliner. Oh my god, my eyelids feel so heavy with these lashes on. But yeah, that's how I do my eyeliner. As you can see, like I said, the lashes cover up a literal multitude of sins, even though these eyelashes might actually be a sin in themselves. So yeah, even though this has been such a weird video, I hope you've enjoyed it. Please comment down below what you'd want to see next, and I'll see you next week. Sorry, I can't get over these crazy lashes. They are crazy. Okie doke.